Hey, today I want to show you how to use the Codon wheel. Here you can see I have a wheel, like a bigger wheel of cheese. It's a nicer wheel. And on this wheel we have the letters. If you look, there's the letters in the middle over there. Then there's letters over here. Then you have a little letters over there. How do you use this wheel? What you do is you take a look at your mRNA. And here you see you got the A, you got a U, and you got a G. So you go to the middle, and then I say, hey, my first one, she's a letter A. So I'm going to circle here, and then I go over here to the U, and then I go over here to the G. And this the third letter, she tell me what amino acid I'm going to have. So over here, I'm going to have the met, not the drug, but the amino acid. Huh? So then I write it that. The next one says CUC. So I go down over here and I go circle a C, then a U, and then a C. And this one is a leucine. I used to date a girl named Lucine. I wonder what happened to her. Long time I don't see her. Lucine, huh? Then I put a dash, and then I'm gonna come over here, pick a different color. Oh no, I made a mark over there. I get erase. Erase that. Come over here and get the green. A U S. So now I'm gonna go A U and then A. And this one is isoleucine. Hey, that's a sister. I dated a sister too. So here we go. I date leucine and isoleucine. And next, the last one, I pick a different color here. And I'm gonna go with this is nice yellow over here. And I'm gonna go to U and then the G and then the A. Oh no, look at this. It's a stop codon. That means the translation is she's a stop. That's okay. So I put over here a stop. This, ladies and gentlemen, this is how you use the codon wheel. If you got any questions, too bad. I'm done.